and it's already over. Can't take back what we're given. Can't move forward looking over our shoulder. All we can do is hold on to this now, forever and ever, 'cause it's not coming back. Lay your head on down, forever and ever. Close your eyes and let it rain. We pray it will all be over. Pray to never leave it in the past. The tears we shed keep us sober. Nobody wants to be last. All we can do is hold